Hey guys, I've got a Minimax Reflex holographic red dot sight, and this will fit on a Picatinny rail. This sight has been imported from China. It's not the most expensive one, but I figured to start off putting some optics on my Revolver to see how this would turn out. So this comes with a protective cover. It just slides off. And what we have is a sort of ruby coated lens, and this should be scratch proof. This claims to be shock proof. Comes with a mount for a 20mm Revolver rail or Picatinny rail. It'll fit on either. It feels quite good. You know, it's sort of all aluminium construction. We have the up and down elevation adjustment there, and the left right windage. It's got a single screw to fit this on, and you can use a flathead screwdriver on here, or pretty much just twist it sort of in finger and thumb tightness, and I think that should probably pretty much do it. To stay on there, and just, you know, I would just check it every time, make sure it's on there nice and firm. It takes a lithium CR2032 battery, so they're pretty much everywhere. This has a dual brightness. Now, let's see if we can try and show you the laser dot on here. Oh, there we go. And I'm not sure if the camera will show this as sharply as you would see it. It is pretty much pin sharp, but that's the full brightness setting. I mean, I think the first one is ample. There we go. And then of course switch it off altogether. So let's install it. Okay, so first things first, I guess we loosen up the screw on the side. Should push this out. You can notice that. So that's what will grip onto the rail. So, okay, there we go. And should just be a case of just sliding on. So nothing too difficult putting one of these on. You know, other larger versions for rifles. So like I said, I shall probably do it finger and thumb tight and just keep checking. But there we go, guys. So let's switch this on, and oh, there it is. Oh, where are you? We're there. So there we go. So the next video, we'll hopefully get some range timing with this, so I can find out exactly how good it holds up. It's strong enough to cope with the recoil and not be knocked out. Like I said, it is just a cheap Chinese import. If I'm liking it, then I'll invest happily in a EOTech version. That's not too pleased with this sort of sticking out the side. It's a little bit, but a quick release. I mean, you don't need any Allen keys, Allen wrenches or anything, screwdriver, flathead or otherwise. You can just pretty much take this on and off as you please. So I guess that's the trade-off if you want to have this sort of attachment on there. There are versions where you can have two screws to clamp it on there. You know, hey, it's up to you. Decide what makes you feel happy. This just easy to remove, so that's why I went for this one. There it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care and safe shooting.